Wednesday, 24th of November. Wednesdays are my traditional EKO, early knock-off days, so they're the days that I do like to try and get things done as early as possible, and I can usually get out the door, get some stuff done, come home, get ready for work without disturbing anyone. So did make it into the office about 7:30, 7:45. Straight into it, but had some visitors who came to distract me. No, we've got a work experience kid, my niece actually, she's coming to do a week's worth of work next week, so getting things set up for her, putting together capability statements there, something that have fallen off the radar for a little while now, and there's quite a few people asking for them, so need to get those put together. EKO, 3 o'clock. At school, ready to pick the kids up, then a bit of peak hour traffic running around shopping, come home, make dinner. We pretty much had a lazy afternoon, chilling out. There was a little bit of sport on, but there was one of us home at most of the time. 7 o'clock, I was pretty knackered by then, but still managed to get a bit of family fortnight in. Everyone's loving it at the moment, and got in another bit of work right before bed.